Hey guys, this is Eric. I'm out here with the kids and Beth. We're out here going to pick these sweet potatoes and see what we get.
Look at that nice one.
Here's the first one.
There's that.
This is the first time we've planted sweet potatoes before. You getting some too, Livy? What are you getting?
I don't know. I actually got a giant one.
This is all, we had 5 slips is all we had. Look at the size of that one. What do you got? Just put them in a pile for right now.
I got all the small ones.
Man, that one's huge. Yeah. You guys, step back here. I've been feeling kind of sick. Got a cold or something coming on. Let's show your big ones. Dang, dude. Them's huge. Especially that one in your hand right there. Wow.
Dad did so deep in.
Oh, yeah?
Still is going. Oh my gosh.
Oh, you got another big one.
Yeah. The biggest one so far.
Don't do it right on the, do it to the side.
The biggest one.
Livy? Yeah, that was good size.
That's so many. Oh, they got the beat. I want to pull one. Oh, right here.
Here, Alex, just kind of throw them in the pile instead of just throwing them all over the place.
Guys, you guys can't just pick the big ones and just leave it. That kind of looks like a radish. Yeah, here's what it is.
Is that it, Beth? In that hole?
Oh, yeah, big one.
Hey, don't, ain't there another shovel?
Oh, Dad.
Oh, dang, another big
I
one.
don't have like a hole.
Here, let Mom use the shovel part, Ashton. Dang, there's a lot more than what I was thinking there's going to be.
Still going. Still going. I got mine.
Guys, we just planted 5 slips. This ground's rock hard. We hadn't had hardly any rain in the past 2 months. And that's why I'm surprised these did any good. Oh, dang, another big fatty.
Do you have a hand shovel? Oh, thank you.
Put those in, pile those up a little bit better so I don't get it.
Alex.
That's what we got so far. Some of them's really good size.
No. You can't have that one.
Those 2 are huge. Oh, that one's pretty good size too. Mom, are they getting any more? Or? Yeah, the goats will love that. Pile of vines here. Yeah, there's a pile of vines for it. For the goats. No, there ain't none. It's just along where it's mounded. There's 5. You want to help him, Beth? Ashton. You see one? No.
think mine is done. Oh. You
That might be about it. What do you think?
Alex has something. I'm still full of the root. I know, he has a root.
I think they did pretty good. What do you think? Now we gotta do it for 2 weeks at 80-degree temperature.
Can you hold it? Can you say potato?
You wanna hold that? Hey, Acre, hold that potato. Show them how big it is. Can you hold it for Dad?
Say potato. I don't think he likes it.
He don't like it.
Like he said,
Well, guys, this is what we got, which is a pretty decent harvest. You guys want to stand up so maybe it'll capture you guys in a video and grab some of those big ones.
Here, boy. That one. Grab mine. These are mine. Oh, look at that.
Look at me, guys.
My hands are stuck. Here, you guys hold this. I'll do this.
Pretty good harvest. What do you think?
Yeah.
Hey, if you guys like this kind of stuff, please hit that like button and subscribe. Thank you, guys.
Bye.